At 80 inches, expect only the best in terms of quality and performance from the Vizio M80 One-Eye Smart LED TV. It features advanced full-array LED backlighting with active LED local dimming and full access to streaming thanks to Vizio's Internet Apps Plus. How much is the Vizio M80 One-Eye? The manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Vizio M80 One-Eye is $3,299.99. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive aspects. You won't be able to take your eyes off the Vizio M80 One-Eye's standout picture quality, especially with its active pixel tuning and 720 clear action rate features at work. The intuitive user interface of the Vizio Internet Apps Plus is also worth a mention. Here's our conclusion. Not only does the Vizio M80 One-Eye have the largest screen in Vizio's M series for 2014, but it is also packed with amazing features that give you more value and more enjoyment. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.